Ooh, let's see what's in there. Let's open that up. Anything else in there? Anything else in there?
Yeah.
What else you got? I thought there was something else in there. Look again. Look on this side, Jay. Yes, he almost forgot something. What is that?
It's a Spider-Man.
Yeah, cool. Let's see what Auntie put in there for you. You know what's in there? It's a sleeping bag in there, Jay.
Is a sleeping bag in my foot?
Yeah. Let me help you open it up. It's like your own bed. You can take it everywhere you go. Ain't that cool? You soft?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take it out. Let's check it out. Let's see how it works.